New York actually requires LLCs to have an operating agreement. The good news is that you don't file it with the state. You just need to have it on hand with your business records within 90 days of forming your LLC. Even though it's required, it's genuinely useful. Without one, New York default rules govern your LLC, and those rules might not match how you actually want to run your business. A written operating agreement puts ownership, decision-making, and profit distribution all in writing. It also helps protect your liability status if your LLC is ever challenged in court. Even if you're the only member, it's worth having. Northwest provides free operating agreement templates inside of your account. I'll also link one down in the description below. Download it, fill in your details, sign it, and keep it with your business records. You don't file it with the state. It's just an internal document for your LLC. If you've only followed along so far, and now you're ready to get started, remember to use the link in the description to get the best available price with Northwest Registered Agent.